Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's lecture about the HTML list. So yesterday's we studied about the HTML hyperlinks and today's our lecture 10 in the full stack web development course, and today's our topic HTML list is structuring the content with ordered and unordered list. So today we are learning about the list in the HTML, a simple way to structure and display the content on your web page. By the end of this, by the end of this lecture, you will you will able to create both ordered and unordered list with easily. So here, firstly explaining the unordered and the ordered list. So let's start with the unordered list for bulleted content and then move to ordered list for numbered steps. We will also explore how to customize them. So firstly, I'm telling you the what is the meaning of the list. So lists are the simple yet powerful way to organize the content. Like I told you before that about the list, and they make it easy to display items like your navigation menus, to-do list and FAQs. So another terms we can say that about the list, your list is used to a group related piece of information. Lists are used to create well structured views and only easily maintain the document. In, in this article, we will discuss the HTML list tag in the detailed and explore the various lists you can create. So then I'm telling you meaning of your navigation menu. Navigation menu is here your navigation menu. You can see yeah, this is your navigation menu, to-do list and FAQs. So firstly, navigation menu is a typically horizontal and the vertical, but can be found on every one of your website's land pages. So with the navigation menu, visitors can easily make their way around your website and get to where they want to go, whether it's your online store or about us page. So next is your to-do list. To-do list is your all about the list of tasks, your daily task. We can say that, and they need to completed or organized by a priority. It can be used to manage tasks in your personal and professional life also. So, firstly, what can I use to-do list for? Household chores, keep track or chores you need to around your home, and then work assignments. Manage high level work assignments such as creating briefs. And the third one is academic responsibility. Academic responsibilities is stay organized and manage your time to balance school and other commitments. So last is the FAQ. FAQ is the full form of the FAQ, frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions, a list of questions that people often ask about a particular product or your site on the internet and the answer to the questions. This is your FAQs. So next is a unordered list. Unordered representation of the unordered list here UL. This is your representation of the unordered list. I am writing here also UL. इसके साथ में ही है यूएल के नीचे नहीं है यूएल ओके हाँ unordered list. So UL tag stands for your unordered list. In the HTML, it is used to create a list of items where the order of the items is is not important. I am telling you again. UL tag for unordered list in the HTML. It is used to create a list of items where the order of the items is not important. Each item in the list is placed within a li. Li means your list item. L means list and I for items. Tag, list tag, li tag, which is nested inside the UL tag. So here this is a syntax of the unordered list. So here opening the UL for unordered list, UL and the close it here, and the li list item apple, banana, cherry. And the after this code हमें बाद में ऐसे दिखेगा हमारे ब्राउजर में, ऐसे बुलेटेड पॉइंट्स में, ऐसे जो डार्क डार्क सर्कल्स हैं, एप्पल, बनाना एंड चेरी, ये बुलेटेड पॉइंट है ये. ओके, सो यूज केस क्या है इसका? बुलेटेड लिस्ट फॉर अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. बुलेटेड लिस्ट मीन्स योर ऐसे ही डॉट डॉट डार्क. सो ये नेस्टेड क्या होता है? नेस्टेड मीन्स योर लिस्ट में लिस्ट within a list. Nested list in the HTML is a list that appears within another list. List के अंदर list. And you can create nested ordered list also. A nested unordered list or even nested ordered list within an unordered list. मतलब ordered list की ordered भी ordered list की ordered list अंदर आ सकती है. Means एक ordered list है, देखिए हियर योर ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट है, इसके अंदर एक और ऑर्डर लिस्ट है, इसके अंदर एक और ऑर्डर लिस्ट है, तो ये वन नेस्टेड है. ऐसे ही सेम एज फॉर द यूएल. यूएल मीन्स जो अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट है, यहाँ पे अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट है, यहाँ पे अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. दिस इज योर ऑल्सो नेस्टेड. एंड क्या था हमारा थर्ड वन? क्या था कि लिस्ट के अंदर हमारी अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट भी और ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. दिस इज ऑल्सो नेस्टेड. I think this is clearing now. Then here you can see UL, LI, LI, LI. This is your also nested list. So and next and we can say about how to create a nested list in the HTML. Use the UL tag to create an ordered list. Okay, and use the LI tag, list tag, for each item in the list, and then nest the UL and OL element as deeply as you want. So third one is your ordered list. Ordered list basically defines the ordered list, and the ordered list can be numerical or alphabetical. The list tag is used to define the each list item. Use CSS to style list, and for unordered list, not ordered, for unordered list use the UL tag. So here your syntax: OL opening for the ordered list and the close it here. LI tag, step 1 is a preheat oven and the close it. LI tag, step 2 mix ingredients, close it. Step 3 is bake, close it. This is ये इसका क्लोज है ये, और ये इसका ओके. सो ये हमें बाद में ऐसे दिखाई देगा. न्यूमेरिक भी हो सकता है ये 1 2 3 एंड अल्फाबेटिकल में भी हो सकता है BC सो ऑन. सो इसका यूज केस क्या है? नंबर्ड स्टेप्स और रैंकिंग 1 2 3. सो हियर एट्रीब्यूट क्या है इसके? अब एट्रीब्यूट फर्स्ट इज अ टाइप. In the HTML, the type attribute in the OL means your ordered list, tag defines specify the kind of marker to use for a list item. It determines how the list items are numbered or labeled. So possible value for the type attribute, first is your number 1, default value number 1 2 3. This is your numerical. So 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 भी हो सकता है, 3 भी हो सकता है. This is your numerical number. Okay. And the second one is the uppercase letter. Means uppercase letter means A, B, C. Capital letter also means A, B, C, D ऐसे so on. ये हमारे uppercase है. The same as for the lowercase. Lowercase में हमारे ऐसा होता है A, B, C. मतलब कि small letters में. एंड अपर केस रोमन नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? अपर केस रोमन नंबर मीन्स योर दिस ऐसे 1 1 2 लिखेंगे तो ऐसे लिखेंगे एंड सो ऑन। जैसे कि यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं, यहाँ से हटाओ। अपर केस रोमन नंबर कैसे हमारे? फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ ऐसे। एंड द लोअर केस रोमन नंबर कैसे हमारे? ऐसे 1 2 3। सो हियर change the numbering style. Basically simple definition of it, change the numbering style। से कि 1 को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 1 न्यूमरी से ए भी लिख सकते हैं एंड द फर्स्ट को 1 भी लिख सकते हैं। These are all the same. And the keep so next one is a start. Start is set is a custom starting numbers. The start attribute in a HTML OL means your ordered list element, is used to specify the starting number of the list item. And this is especially useful when you want to continue a numbered list from a specific number rather than starting from a default value is 1. डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू क्या थी इसमें? मोनो टाइप में डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू क्या थी हमारी? 1 थी। And the default value means that if the start is not specified, then the number begins from the 1. अगर हमने इनिशियलाइज कर दिया है कि हमारा स्टार्ट वैल्यू 2 होना चाहिए तो 2 से स्टार्ट होगा, अदरवाइज हमारा 1 से होगा। जहां पे अपने स्टार्ट इज नॉट स्पेसिफाइड, द नंबर बिगिंस फ्रॉम द 1. So value type means you're like that the value must be a number, must be a number ही होना चाहिए। And the compatibility means you're like that works with different type value, with a different type value for the list. जैसे कि start as a custom starting number, custom means your default value, your 1. So example of the compatibility: 1A, small letter A, I means a Roman number. Here I am writing here 1A, A small letter, uppercase Roman, lowercase Roman. And the use case of it: useful when resuming a list from a specific number or for a custom numbering logic. So next one is your list item. List item means in the HTML the list tag, li tag, li representation of it ऐसे open here, close here, li. Li tag is used to define a list item. It is typically used within a ordered list OL or unordered list UL to represent individual items in the list. The attribute of it, the value only for OL. OL means your ordered list. It specifies the value of the list item in an ordered list. And the example of this unordered list bulleted point में ordered list numbered and the using the value attribute, like I told you before about these 3 terms. So these are syntax of list. UL, LI में fruits, UL में list में apples, banana, UL close it here and the LI यहाँ पे जस्ट अ मिनट, हाँ यहाँ पे हमने यूएल ओपन किया, यहाँ पे हमने क्लोज किया, यहाँ पे हमने एल ओपन किया, यहाँ हमने क्लोज किया, यहाँ यूएल किया, क्लोज ओपन क्लोज। ये जो मैंने ऐसे मारे हैं कर्ली ब्रेसेस में, ये यहाँ से ओपनिंग, यहाँ से क्लोज है, यहाँ से ओपनिंग, यहाँ से क्लोज है। यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी इजीली। एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज अ स्टाइलिंग। एंड द लिस्ट में क्या? एडिंग द नेस्टेड लिस्ट, एडिंग द नेस्टेड लिस्ट। नेस्टेड ये यूएल के अंदर यूएल आ रहा है, ये रहा यूएल के अंदर यूएल एंड एलआई के अंदर एलआई है, ये इज योर नेस्टेड लिस्ट। एंड द स्टाइलिंग list with the attributes. So firstly I am telling you all the CSS list property. First is a list style. List style means you set all the properties for a list in one declaration. Second one is the list style image. List style image is your specify an image as the list item marker. And the third one is a list style position. Specifies the position of the list item marker, your bulleted point. And the fourth one is last. Just a minute. Okay, हो गया. So the fourth one is a list style type. List style type is a specify the type of list item marker. So here there is a syntax style UL list style type is a square and the list margin 5 pixel or 0 and the close it here. So finish the theory part of list. So the now the demonstrating the practical example also, and let's build the styled FAQ section using the both unordered and the ordered list. Follow along step by step with me. So open your the VS Code. So this is my VS Code. So here I am creating the file. So I am creating a styled FAQ section with the nested list. So here create the 8th code, 9th code. Just a minute. Actually यहाँ पे 9th लिख लेते हैं, कुछ भी लिख लो, इसका ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं, दिस इज नॉट अ बिग डील. 9th code HTML. Okay, close it here and press the shift and exclamation mark, then press the enter. This is your boilerplate of the HTML. So here I change the title HTML list instead of the document. HTML lists. Okay. Here add the style tag. Write styles. Suggestions are given. Then press the enter again and add the UL for your unordered list. Write a style list style type. You can see. Then choose list style type. Then press the enter. Your disk. Again press the enter. Again. Then the left. Margin left. Margin left. और लिख लेते हैं थोड़ा. हाँ आ गया. Margin left. Then press the enter. Left 20 pixel. I'm I take the 20 pixel. Then OL for the ordered list. List style type. Decimal. And your margin left. Then your LI. Align margin, simple margin, not top right bottom. कितना 10 pixel and a 0. So here in the body write the H1 tag heading FAQ section. FAQ section. Okay. So here write the UL, then LI में क्या आएगा हमारा जनरल क्वेश्चंस. General questions. OL, then LI. What is the HTML? This is your first question. What is HTML? HTML, your hypertext markup language, full form of it. And again, LI. अब क्या लिखना चाहिए हमें? How to create a web page. How to create a web page. हो गया? So यहाँ हमें कुछ नहीं लिखना. Again, make the LI. यहाँ हमें लिखना है टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन. अबव क्वेश्चन क्या आते हैं हमारे? थियोरेटिकल क्वेश्चन. अब हमारे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन. Technical questions. Okay. And then your OL. OL. LI. Actually, LI का टैग है. How to embed video. Embed videos. This is your third question. First question and technical question. LI again. What are the CSS frameworks? What are CSS frameworks? Then OL list UL. Close it here. Then left click, format the document. Document is formatted. Now click on the show preview on the left side of your VS Code screen. Yeah, good. So here, this is your title, HTML list. Here your title. And the FAQ section here, H1 heading, this large heading. Then the general questions, your LI UL के अंदर है इसलिए ये बुलेटेड पॉइंट में आया है. एंड द HTML ये लिस्ट है. And same as for technical questions, here you can see. And You can see also in the browser. Just wait. Firstly, click on it, open your browser. Then you can see easily now. Okay, this is your FAQ questions, general questions. First question is your what is HTML? How to create a web page? Second, and the technical questions में क्या है? First, how to embed the videos, and the second was what are the CSS frameworks. So, answer these questions on the comment box. So, finish. Hmm. Okay, this is your the code of HTML list. And you can also practice the some questions I am telling you. First, create a shopping list. Shopping list and use an ordered and the use the unordered list. Firstly, unordered list for the grocery item. And the second question is create a number to-do list. Use an ordered list for a daily schedule. Schedule your manage your time. And the third one is a design a nested list. Build a navigation menu with the subcategories. So here finish करते हैं हम लोग. So that's an amazing lecture, great work. You have learned how to create and style list for structure content. In the next lecture, we will explore HTML forms and how to capture user input. See you soon and thank you. See you to the next lecture. Thank you.